Guys, thank you very much, and Mimamuna Hamley welcome at the AM page in the so. Say, first time or page in the so I say just subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe you and watch every bit of information be every bit of information be our channel. It's not by there. Now watch if I'm Benjit Flow man. Now and the story or holding story papa. Na Endra Turkey. Oko pimo anajono after say omo games any ade we no earthquake 7.9 earthquake be a hit take ya sisi akakofa oyini kese pa e de aba e take mountain so affect a lot of people, thousands of people and asamri omo eye eho aka adwemo ebi mu so aiden ewu any ade and the stories no bana eba each hour any minute be an update eba fa this disaster I see or taking on. And one very sad thing I Ghana full nyina why say you a Black Stars player and the Christian Atsu one of your best players 2017 AFCON Obekaya Atsu and a calf award as a best player or tournament anymore. Na sisi Atsu sina kan the ma a Turkish side mudin the Hatayspor e wana Atsu sina kan ndra obo game ni go ena the only goal mutimi de win game no na so munya all 3 points no free kick Christian Atsu boy and a boy munya that winning one more na Atsu ho akadwam dan apartment a Christian Atsu sam ne other colleagues ne technical person back technical sporting director awo team ni mu adedin Tana Savat wo mu no dan dwie enti as we speak report ni chim say o manage be 2-3 players bia o mo do mo safe na esi anachu any sporting director no e no mo ha ka adwam a ye hu o mo aka underground hold my say akwa awo sempa I mean stories ni aba say you need a confirmation any ade a place course bise mu say what exactly is going on wo Atsu the camp honomo say whether say I mean no cre say player no stories never so waka asase no kra na say no kre na yen report any intel and somebody so catch edin koma kra o ka say abrant no a product of a cheetah FC cheetah and Atsu fire Rubble he yatin nsemo a na ode make it through on a big football career oboni nyina na I mean you place a lot of course akwa didi nkomo one ma 7 by no CBC bisem ni ade and ewuram didi nkomo na no report ayensa kan se store omo ente Atsu enka I mean menene former anase ni junior team obo ha no me no pen di nkomo ebisa ne say situation is watenka and he has confirmed the store on ti abrante no enka de koso nyina no enya de a omte Atsu enka nti akwakoye mpaibo se Ghana fu nyina na bebo mpae dem Christian Atsu enam sisi ano bebia du no anu aiden earthquake is here dan no wura form abnormal like we are not praying say bibia in CC obeka DC or Ghana me bi atwam sa sorry bi dan ebu ekofom no I mean so obi ko hye dan ase a Ghana your experience so yinim how it mekom bi inti yinim how dan ebu a ete abrosan to aso be 6 and 5 and 7 quite it me dwira from sade na se yenua no sisi ano dia ye nim said no or first floor, second floor, third floor, fifth, fourth, and I say, "Bia no ground floor." And kasa. In this end, nama adinimu ayere kakra. Akwakoye mpaibo. Say Christian Atsu. Usina kan edema Hatayspor or take no. Isi anu mpaibo. Ena Ghana fu nyina. I was say ye bona edi tire brand and echi na ye say baby obia no abrante no pemfo and I say rescue team na omo ehwehwe wo mo a omo akọ adwam no omo betumi akwakoyi Christian Atsu ednefi baby wo no na enoma akoyi ede very sad to hear this okọ portals be breed now omo a report be bree maybe say sports bible omo a report say former Premier League footballer Christian Atsu is reportedly among those trapped under rubble after a huge earthquake hit Turkey. Into a lot of people and now more I reported the incidents. I be mo so kwa no edi aweho say Endra o share 97th minute goal editia team and din edit Kasimpasa SK Endra she goal editia wo mo e ma ne team the team Hatayspor edi enkunim ewo Kasimpasa for no so I mean it is something that obia adwene ho awon ti as said this should not happen to Christian Atsu. Very sad to see the Ghana football, and we are hoping say I mean the FA be establish more contact any idea na FA because every single Ghanaian player be obo abroach bia no the responsibility of your football association say be two o na o to me a coordinate with the FA na wo no say be ya o to me so ayi bibia na in place no so and I'm very sure by this time no FA no I establish a contact o mbu so mo hwede so e ba be see na say be see the news bad news I hate Ghana and no obia a report say Mompa Infama Ghanaian player a Black Stars player even for almost 4 years after 2017 and as the no Atsu yen sheda ehu no sa Ghana yen squad nemu bi so active there but I mean on retire from football so still Ghanaian international also as a matter of fact Black Stars players so on retire and football mutina they are to a Christian Atsu no ewo teki ye kwa kopi bibi abefi ababidi abehwe busuan enim be de nenam enti no confirmation between the amount ne say stories ne na mabonte no no correct because ya confirm e dey free a close source a omo eben Christian Atsu omo sa confirm the amount say up to now omo ntimi establish a contact with Christian Atsu and it's very sad pa omo so so mo try say bibia be ko enti nyina we Ghana ni a yemfa mpaebo kese mpaebo a no den pa and yemfa ntai Atsu echi se le be ya de sibia o take no minim se yempese bete I mean sad news and I say any bad news bia say Atsu kra kawasase I hope and pray say he can survive anything now come say rescue team no one bit me I reach to him no more you know now na ko hospital na ono so no watumi enya no hodi very sad thing any say to bia a lot of footballers and we aka wo mo yes and civilians are hold take over 1,000 people and a dey we ato mo take here obi e ka ho asem say wo mu hu bi da say 7.9 earthquake etimi a hit take just and na jonkwa player na bobo shegu a dey chinya Atsu ye friend of so and I say obi ntimi establish contact with ono ene ne sporting director o ka no ho wo team ni mo wura ne din Tana Sabat no so no entenenka nti no na say news a o no confirmed ye nti Atsu nka nti ye be ma update say ye senenka de besi bia no ye be ma ho de o na mo no just pray for Atsu de metimi aka for now no. Thank you very much. Subscribe to the channel. Midi Eddie Benji the Flu Man.